I welcome you everybody to the class of data structure. Here we'll see insertion at the end of the single linked list. We are having a single linked list. We want to insert some value at the end of the single linked list. So here you know that in a single linked list you are having a starting pointer of type struct node which holds the address of the first node, and you are having number of nodes are there, such type of nodes are there, which link part containing the address of the next nodes, and the last node pointer is, or the link part is null, because after that there is no nodes are there. Suppose there is a freshly created node, this is a freshly created node, you want to insert this node at the end of the linked list. So what to do here, as you know that this node will be created dynamically and its address contained by a pointer. So what to do, so you have to take another pointer which is a ptr, which is of type also struct node. So this will contain the address of the structured nodes. So first you have to traverse from start to the end of this linked list. After that you have to give this ptr link, that means this value will be what, the address of this freshly created node. So how to do that, so first the ptr contains the start node, so you have to move ptr one node after another node. So how to do that, until ptr link is not equals to null you have to traverse. That means here ptr link, that means ptr contain 1000, ptr link means what is the link part of the node of 1000, so link part is 2000, so ptr link is not null, so you have to move to the next node. Then ptr link is null, no, so you have to move to the next node. So ptr link is null, no, you have to move to the next node. ptr link is null, yes, you have to stop here, and you have to give this link part the address of this freshly created node. So we'll see that. So struct node, here this node containing two part, one is the information part, another is the pointer part. So here we need some pointers like start pointer, fresh pointer, and ptr pointer, which are of struct node type. So we are creating the dynamically created node which is fresh contain the address of the dynamically created node. We are checking the fresh value. If fresh value equals to null, that means memory is not created, memory insufficient is there. So else memory is created, will give the info part, the item, required item, or the value, required value, and fresh link is null, that means the node is created now. So after that what to do, we are having a ptr pointer which will hold the address of the start. So we don't know what is the value of the start. So start node contains the start pointer contains the address of the first node of the linked list. So ptr will contain the start node value, start pointer value, sorry, start pointer value. Then while ptr link not equals to null, that means ptr link means here it is ptr contains start. So start, what is the value of start is 1000, ptr link means 1000 link part, 1000 link is, that is 2000. So until ptr link is not equals to null, we have to move ptr equals to ptr link. So this loop will continue until ptr link is not equals to null. That means, so here ptr link is not null, so ptr will be ptr link. That means ptr will contain the 2000 value. ptr will come here, ptr link is not null, that means ptr will be ptr link. So ptr is 3000. Now ptr link is not null, so ptr will be ptr link, that means ptr will be 4000. Now ptr link is null, so the loop will stop here. So after that what to do, simply you have to give ptr link equals to fresh. So here the newly created node will move to the end of the linked list. So in this way we'll insert a node at the end of the single linked list. Thank you. We'll see other operations in different class.